How to fix audio on Amazon Prime Video. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix the audio on the Prime Video application. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to fix the audio, it's very simple, and there could be multiple reasons why you've been having the audio issues, so just make sure to follow all the steps. The very first thing you have to do is to simply make sure that whether or not you have any type of Bluetooth devices such as AirPods or wired headphones connected to your Prime Video or your mobile device, because sometimes the Bluetooth devices could also be giving you the audio delay issue, so you just want to make sure that that is not the case. However, aside from that, if you're still having the issue, then it could be due to the application's bugs as well. The very first thing I would recommend you to do is just open up settings and go to the option called apps. Once you go to apps over here, you simply want to search for Prime Video. So just go ahead and select Prime Video and then go to the option called storage. I'll just recommend you to clear the cache, which is the temporary files of the Prime Video app. If you don't have any downloads and so on, then you can also simply select clear data. That is going to log you out of your account and delete any of the downloads, which means it is going to reset the application. You can just go ahead and then simply clear the data as well. If not, then you can come back to the permissions tab and you want to make sure to allow it all of the permission that the application requires, such as contacts, your files and media, location, and your phone. You can allow the permissions that this application requires as well. Hopefully this video answered your question. If not, then the other thing you can also do is to simply check for updates. So open up a device's respective app store and just go ahead and then type in Prime Video. If you see an update button next to the Prime Video application, I would always recommend you to update the app to the latest version. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.